everybody, how you doing? Just wanted to do a quick check-in, just let you know what we're up to. Well, it's been a long, cold winter, and we've gotten some stuff done on the boat, and our goal now is to get the bottom all cleaned up, and then we are heading north to Annapolis, finally, after over a year trying to get there, to my friend's dock, where we're going to fix the baby stay and do some other things so that after hurricane season we can turn around and head out with a boat that's way more equipped than it is now, with new sails, new lines, new fixed baby stay, and some other improvements that we need in order to untie the lines. Also, those of you that have been following along know that I said I gained 20 pounds and was really not feeling great last year. And so since January 1st, we've been on a keto diet, Amy and I have lost 15 pounds already. So doing good. I feel a lot more energetic, feel a lot better. And Amy's losing weight too, which she didn't really need to lose weight, but she's feeling great as well. So it's been good, the two of us doing it together. And now we're headed to Annapolis, where we're going to get this last remaining foundational boat stuff done so we can turn around and head out. So stay tuned, and we'll be posting a lot of boat fix-it-up videos soon. All right, you have a good rest of the day. Papa. All right, looks like my new mainsail and my new foresail. That's exciting. Our new sail. New sails.